Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to dive into how to create amazing 3D AI generated images for free. Go to Google and search Bing image. Click on the first website. Then click join and create. Sign in with personal account. You can use any of your email, Outlook, Gmail or Yahoo. Then click on next. They will send a verification code to your email. Input it and click next. Yes. So here is the home page. Let's search for what we want. 3D realistic boy character sitting with his laptop. Then click on create. Here is the result. Choose anyone you like. Then click on download. Everything is free, no watermark. Powered by Microsoft. So let's check another one. 3D Tesla car on a sports field. Click on create. Then here is the result with another 4 options. Then you can click on download. Free, no watermark. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.